Up next, let's welcome Eve Xia, Director of EWTP Digital Capacity Building at Alibaba Group, to present 5 awards to these institutions as a recognition of your contributions.
Thank you, Sophia. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. I want to express my gratitude for all the hard work you put in over the past years to cultivate young talents. Thanks to your continued efforts, I believe our lecturers and students are truly enjoying their GDT journey. Welcome again. Let me announce the 5 awards for institutions. The Academic Excellence Award goes to Sunway University and University Tunku Abdul Rahman from Malaysia. Next is the Practice Excellence Award goes to INTI University, Malaysia. Next is the Most Social Impact Award goes to Utah from Malaysia. Next is the Most Innovation Award is rewarded to UTech, Mexico, and the Innovative Learning Hub, Vietnam. Next is the Special Contribution Award goes to Juventudes y Shadow, Mexico. Congratulations.
With us today. Welcome, Betty. Welcome to China.
Hi, Patty. Congratulations. Yeah. I think, Betty, I hope you enjoy the journey here in Hangzhou. And can you please share with us what is this prize means to you?
Yes, thank you. Dear Alibaba team, on behalf of the Institute for the Development and Attention to Guanajuato, Juventudes GTO, I want to express our gratitude for the Digital Village program and the collaboration we have established with Alibaba. Your expertise in digital commerce has been crucial for the development of digital skills in our community, and we are truly grateful for your support. But I will also like to mention something more. Thanks to your help, we learn much more than technical issues about digital commerce. We can understand that one of the most important ingredients of the success is call to the service, a real commitment to take a change with those around us. We need to generate more tools to encourage the mentality. If not now, when? If not me, who? Achieving an ecosystem of innovation in thought, but above all committed to this environment, bringing more work to Guanajuato and more Guanajuato to the world. Once again, thank you for your support and collaboration in this program. We are truly honored to have the opportunity to work with Alibaba, and we look forward to continue our partnership. On behalf of Toño Navarro, General Director of Juventudes GTO, thank you very much.
Thank you.
Thank you, Betty, for your wonderful speech, and hope you had a wonderful trip here in China. Thank you. Moving on, let's welcome Kathy, the leader of GDT program, to present the awards for GDT student teams.
Good morning, all. Yeah, it is really a great honor that in the past, even during the pandemic, we have the students. Teams is still running the project for the digitalization. Yeah, let me announce the 4 awards to student teams. The first award goes to the best social impact, goes to Creative Unicorn from Innovative Learning Hub, Vietnam. The team Su Ju Hong, Craig Worthing Go Watch Plus, College from Utah, Malaysia. The next one, it is the Best Sustainability Award, goes to 4 teams. International Entrepreneurship Lab Smart Money from University Technology of Querétaro, Mexico. G&O and Package from University Political of Querétaro, Mexico, and Group Ding Pan Yi Model Harry from Utah, Malaysia. The next one, it is the Best Innovation Award, goes to 2 teams, Model Hira Kaladere from Utah, Malaysia. The next one, it is the Best Collaboration Model, goes to Craigie Worthing, Ability.com Group Min Tri Young, Bites of Love, Utah, Malaysia, as well as Aldo Ro University Political of Querétaro, Mexico. Congratulations to all students team. We are proud of witness the students with the mentorship from the GDT lectures. They are making the change in the digital world.
Alibaba aims to inspire young people with practical cases and contribute to the growth of the digital economy. Over 1,400 teachers have received GDT certificates in the past few years, and our GDT teachers plays a crucial role in the whole process. Up next, let's invite Mr. Zhou Yong to present the GDT Lecture Awards.
Hi everyone, it's really my pleasure today to come back to the stage of GDT program and to give this award to all the teachers. Last few years, probably you listened to a lot of my lectures online, but I really hope this is the last time we meet online. In the future, coming years, I really hope we can visit you guys, or you guys can come to the Alibaba. We can meet really in person to celebrate the end of the pandemic. Okay, so today is really my honor to present all these awards to the outstanding teachers. So the number one award I will really present will be the outstanding new teacher who are the new lecturers in 2022. It goes to Lata Tam, Nguyen Thinh Niet, Jiang from Innovative Learning Hub, Vietnam. Congratulations. Sorry about my presentation, to be really honest. I practiced a lot last night, but still there's some problems, for me to pronounce some of the names. Sorry about that. The third one is Soyo Lo from Alicos LSC, Mongolia. And the second award goes to the best mentor, Dr. Rachel Po Su-yin, Lee Hong Xia, INTI International College, Penang, Malaysia. And Magaswari Ranjasam, Sangwei University, Malaysia. And Dr. Wong Hee Wing, Winnie, Chi Hong Mi, Dr. Sir Chung Sen, Utah University, Malaysia. And Mr. Ming Nguyen, Innovative Learning Hub, Vietnam. And Professor Claudia Vargas Lopez, Angel Arroyo Montañez, actually University Technology de, Conterano, Mexico. The third one is the most creative lecturer, Alex Lam, who I already know from the very beginning, INTI International College, Penang University in Malaysia. And Ms. Tan Ya-yi, Ms. Thi Cho V, Sangwei University, Malaysia, and Dr. Lee Jae-wing, Utah University, Malaysia, and Carla Morales Casas, University Technology de Conterano, Mexico. The fourth one is the Teaching Achievement Award, Dong Hee Hong Ven, Innovative Learning Hub, Vietnam. Michelle Hong La Sang, Natalie Leon Mi Singh, International College, Penang, Malaysia. Ilasho Imita Binti Muhammad Arif, Tan Min Ki, Utah University, Malaysia. Dr. Sing T Ying, Sangway University, Malaysia. Thomas Gado Torres Luna, University Technology Continental Mexico. The final, the number 5 award goes to Special Contribution Award, Christine Gan Han Sing, International College, Penang, Malaysia. Miss Ni Ben Ling, Sangway University, Malaysia. Professor Mary Nina Talavisa Luz, University Technology Continental Mexico. And Dr. Wong Hing Wing, Winnie Chi Young Ming, Utah University, Malaysia. Thanks very much, and really congratulations to all the lecturers who actually got the award today. And we hope really we can continue this GDT journey together in the very near future. Thank you.